Hello everyone and welcome. I'm Phil the True Tech Dad. Today I'm going to be unboxing the Seagate Backup Plus Slim 2TB hard drive, portable hard drive, because I'm going to use this on my PlayStation 4. I got the OG PlayStation 4 with like 500 gigs, so I need something with a little bit more space. And since the new update for the PlayStation, you're able to actually connect a portable hard drive to it so you can get more space. So I'm going to unbox this so we can see what's in here, and after this I'll show you how to hook it up to your PlayStation and configure it so you'll have more space. So let's get this unboxed. Here we go. Here we go. Alright, we got some instructions here. Looks like a USB cable, USB 3 cable here. And man, this is tiny. This is small, man. For 2 terabytes? Wow. Look at that. It's got the nice little Seagate symbol on it. And this is it. This is doesn't have a power adapter. It pretty much, once you plug it in, you plug it up to your, that's where the power comes from. Alright. USB 3 cable. What I'm going to do is just plug it in. So, what I'm going to do, get it set up, plug it into that PlayStation, and configure it. And I'll show you how to do all that in just a little bit. If you have any questions, I will do a review video on it also. And probably in a couple of weeks, just to let you know how it's working, how it's moving, how it's storing. And if you have any questions on it, please leave them in the comments at the bottom, and we'll go from there. Alright. Okay everyone, what we're going to do now is hook this up to the PlayStation and get us some more storage on there. So I'm going to show you how to hook it up, and then what we're going to do after that is configure it so we can get this working on the PlayStation, so we have more space. So here we go. Just plug it into your USB slot here. Right. See, now the light has just turned on it, and I can feel it. Feel it's moving and vibrating there. So let's go to our settings. Where's the settings? And we're going to go to device. Yep, we went to device, and we're down here to USB storage. So, okay, now we got the Slim, is showing the Slim here. Format as external. I'm going to go back into my storage, and as you can see here, it says application install location. What I'm going to do is switch this back to system. So that's what everything was going before. Everything was going up there. But in order for me to have the room and everything, I don't have the room there. So what I'm doing is going down here, pressing option, application install location to external storage, extended storage. And what we're going to do is go there. So everything that I download now, either from the PSN store, from purchasing a game, or downloading something from that's free for your PSN network, you know what I'm talking about. Everything will go on here so that I will have more room on this PlayStation, so I can just download more games. So right now, everything that I download, so what we're going to do is go into my library here. So I got some games on here that is purchased but not installed, so that I got free for, that I would not been able to play on just this 500 gig hard drive. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to start downloading all these games on here that I want to eventually play on here. We got the HBO We got Infamous Second Son. I've already played it, but I do have the digital copy also. So I'm going to download it. Usually it would say you don't have enough space to download, but right now I do. So let's see what else I can download here. NBA 2K16. I know it's old, but still, I can download it, and I don't have to worry about it saying you do not have enough space to download this. So this is awesome. I am enjoying. I'm gonna enjoy this. The Seagate 2 terabyte Slim. So I can download Minecraft Story Mode. I can download all these games here digitally, anything. So everything is all set up for me now. So again, this is the Seagate Backup Plus Slim 2 terabyte. You can actually get 1 terabyte, or you probably have 3 to 4, who knows. But I got the 2. I actually got this for a good price. So we're all set. I do hope you like my unboxing, my setup, and tutorial on how to get everything set up here. If you did, please press that like button. If you're new to my channel, smash that subscribe button. And to get notifications on when I put up a new video, press that bell button down at the bottom there too. And it'll let you know anytime I put up a new video. So again, I'm Philip the True Tech Dad. Thanks for watching. We'll see you later.